What's up, everyone? I wanted to share my real experience after spending some time using the American Express Business Checking account. I tested the app, explored the features, compared feedback from other users, and evaluated how it performs for small business owners. This isn't sponsored, just my honest opinion after actually using the account. So if you're thinking about opening one or switching banks, here's what you should know. Let's start with the overall experience. The first thing that stood out to me was the clean and modern interface. The account is accessible through the same platform you'd use for your Amex credit cards, so if you're already part of the American Express ecosystem, everything feels seamless and familiar. Another highlight is the interest rate. The American Express Business Checking offers a competitive APY on your balance, which is significantly higher than what most traditional business checking accounts provide. That's a major plus if you keep steady funds in your account. Fee-wise, it's very appealing. There are no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees. For a business account, that's a refreshing change compared to many brick-and-mortar banks. In terms of functionality, it handles the essentials well. You can transfer funds, pay bills, and deposit checks using your phone without any issues. However, it's important to remember that this is a fully digital bank. There are no physical branches and no way to deposit cash directly. If your business relies heavily on cash transactions, this could be a limitation. One feature that really sets it apart is the connection to membership rewards. If you have an eligible Amex card, you can earn points through your business checking relationship, something most banks simply don't offer. Customer support is solid overall. Live chat within the app is responsive, and Amex generally has a strong service reputation. That said, if you need complex in-person assistance or immediate branch-level help, it won't match a traditional full-service bank. So, who is this account best for? If you run a small business that primarily deals with online or digital payments and you value low fees, plus a competitive return on your balance, this account is a strong contender, especially if you already use American Express products. On the other hand, if you frequently handle cash or prefer face-to-face banking, you may want to consider other options. That's my full breakdown. Hopefully, this helped you decide whether it's the right fit for your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.